Hey, what's up, Filipino TV? Right, Filipino TV?
Yeah.
This is our last moments with our Dave here. And we're going to show you guys his house that he's about to abandon. But first, let's show everybody Dave's
our cars.
This is his dad's getaway car.
I had this when I was 7 years old.
Oh, yeah, this one right here. I was there when I bought this for Dave for our anniversary.
That one's for our kids.
Right there? I don't know what the hell. Alright, that's my truck.
It's a Mexican car.
Now we're gonna show you guys what Dave's about to leave. Oh, this is Dave's dad. It's Philip. That's Philip. Hello. Alright. Now here it says, I'll say he's about to abandon. And that's Tita Carol, that's Tita Rita, Kalani, and Dave's mom. They're packing things up. Oh, this is the kitchen. And those are the guys.
It's beer.
These guys drinking beer. That's Michael, and this is Jico. Oh, Jico's little sister. It's cute. Right. Show everybody what we're eating. I guess that's macaroni and cheese. Macaroni with raisins. Do you see that? You see that? Filipino. What is this? The most is macaroni with raisins. No. Let's go. That's the TV. Everything. That's where we watch movies. Alright, now the staircase.
You gotta be careful.
It's 10 feet. Oh gosh. That's May. Look, this is Dave's sister. She's fast, man. I'm fast too. Alright. Now we're here in this hallway where everything happens. There are people smoking down there and everything.
Yeah, pretty much.
And this is the master's bedroom. Dave's all cleaned out. We got a huge bed over here. You know, like that huge TV down there. See that TV? TV. Here. And now,
the bathroom.
Oh, man. This used to be like chill spot, you know? After I get home from school, just get naked, man, I put this, I'm like just relaxing right here. And then if Dave wants to come in. Michael can come in. Everybody can come in. Alright. Going back to stuff. Alright, let's go. The maid's room. Yeah. One of the loveliest places on earth. See, Jico, this maid secretary. Yeah. So, there's the secretary bed. Yes, that's bed. And
This is where they have karaoke.
Yeah, and karaoke here. We're poor and cheap, so we're using the Rock Band one.
Yeah. With duct tape.
We're not rich as you think. But yeah, pretty ghetto.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna check more of the rooms. Let's go, guys.
Right,
Let's go. Let's go to the bathroom.
Let's go back in the hallway.
You saw the master's bedroom. Let's go check the other bathrooms.
Oh, maybe cushion. Honestly, room. We'll go there later. This is my favorite bathroom, man. This is where everything happens. Oh my god! Oh god! Lock it, man! Oh man! Oh my god! Oh god, man! Jeez! Alright. We're gonna go to that bathroom next time. Stop dying! My god! That's JC. Video game.
Oh my god! It's a suicide! My god! Quit!
The one being busy in the back there, that's his little brother. Yeah. Yeah, man. He gets crazy when he loses video games. I was playing Halo with him one day. I beat him. He got ugly. Alright. Alright. That was Jico's room. The secretary, remember Jico's secretary?
Eventually, Ego moved out, so his room is a mess. No, actually, it's cleaned out. It's cleaned out, so, you know, he's in college.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm just kidding. He's somewhere else in
Yeah,
the
he's
house.
secretary. Yeah.
He's secretary.
I worked already. Oh, and this is Jason, the one that awkwardly.
You guys something to say? Maybe you could explain and share what were you doing in the bathroom?
Yeah, with Care Bear magazine. Wow. Wait, is this it?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Is it anyone?
No, it's not.
Anyone?
What do you think?
Oh my god.
It's not.
Ooh.
It's not a castle, right?
I feel you now. I feel you. Other rooms. See, there used to be a staircase out of here, but we locked it since we watched Paranormal Activity and we heard a lot of noises here, so
Scary.
maybe there's like a demon here. I don't know. Alright, and this was my room. Alright? This is my bed. The most comfortable bed in the world.
The secretary is scary. I'm sorry.
Other people here. A lot of people here. My magazines. See that?
It's just
I have more magazines under my bed, but
I'm on TV! He loves America! He loves America!
yeah. Oh my gosh, I think we're famous! Man. I love America. Especially when...
Does this say Playboy?
Oh, I'm a fan